Well, South Carolina lawmakers are addressing skyrocketing insurance costs they say are threatening people, their businesses, and their homes.
7 News State House reporter Caroline Yaffa breaks down how the committee could help your wallet.
Lawmakers say the cost for insurance is too high for people in South Carolina. They're now working with insurance companies to try to find solutions.
It was incumbent upon these companies to tell us what's driving those costs to go up, what's making that happen, because they go through the insurance department on trying to get their rates either raised or lowered.
The meeting lasted more than 5 hours as lawmakers put their heads together to try to lower insurance premiums for homeowners, business owners, and individual ratepayers.
We can't guarantee it, but if you look at history, what happened in West Virginia and what's happened in Florida and what's probably going to happen in Georgia and ultimately Louisiana, it does have a positive downward pressure on rates.
So let me ask this question. So if you're asking us to do all of these changes here, but yet you can't guarantee me that the premium is going to come down, why the heck are we sitting here in the first place? Like, why are you telling me all this information to change something if you can't even give me a return on my investment?
Chair of the committee, Representative Gary Brewer, says the goal with these meetings are to create a bill that would lower cost factors and focus on other findings they see in these meetings. Brewer wants this bill to be passed in 2026.
We have this committee. We plan to put legislation together, and the whole goal of this legislation is to create an environment that will put downward pressure on their rates so their rates will come down.
He says the committee is trying to figure out why some companies can drop their rates and some can't.
If we have good insurance environment where we're getting more and more companies in there, it'll allow them to compete with each other in the free market to go after each other to help lower our rates, which helps spur small businesses.
Insurance companies say a big reason for rates going up is inflation. In Columbia, Caroline Yaffa, 7 News.
Representative Brewer says this is only a piece of the puzzle, and the committee will keep meeting to try to solve some of these problems for South Carolinians.